Huh?
Take the old flag down.
Yeah.
And this is what you're supposed to do. Is fold it. And you fold the flag. Take it. Fold it in half. There. And then fold it in half again.
Mm-hmm.
Like that.
That's our old flag, by the way, guys. We're gonna donate it. I mean, not donate. Put it into a safe place. We can't just throw them in the garbage because that's very disrespectful. No, it's supposed to be two people here.
Yeah, it is.
Here, yeah. Well, I'm filming, and
Okay.
so hold on one second. Let me just get my hands. So I'll show you how to do it. So it should be like.
It's, here, we got to go the other way.
Oh, okay.
Unfold
Hold on.
That.
Okay. Ako na. I'll be the one to
No,
do.
no, you start from this end.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
And you fold it in a
Square. Yep.
triangle.
Yep. Like that.
Like this.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yep. I know how to do flag. I was a Girl Scout.
You were?
Yep.
Is this the same way to fold a
Yep.
Philippine flag?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
You were a Girl Scout in the Philippines.
Yep.
Fold that. Like that.
Yeah.
Like that. Like that.
And that's
and then
it.
you take the end and
Yeah.
fold it under. This one didn't work properly, but
Yep. That's it. Uy, you had some. Okay. There. All right. Then you
and
put
that's
that
the old
away.
flag. I'll just place this here for now.
Yep. And I just sit down here and watch you do the thing.
Take the new one. New poles. You don't need the poles just yet.
I thought you have to put the.
I do. I got to get it out. It's at the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Here, hold this one. What?
So, mo na yung gibuhat sa Memorial Day mga panggao. Mag-barbecue mi later. Unya. Mag.
Oh, here's the bag of screws. Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.